And if you have any questions, comments, thoughts, want to share some more love, do it below. If I don't answer you in real time, it's because I can't see the feed. It's flying really, really fast sometimes. So here we go. We're going to go from my left to right. First, we've got our organic multi-grain tortilla chips from Food Should Taste This Good. If you never heard of this company, they are great. They make some awesome stuff. Give them a shot. You won't be disappointed. Couple of new finds here. Couple of new discoveries at Costco. That's one of the other things I love about Costco, is you can always count on them to be looking for new goods to bring into the mix. What do we got? Mom, like I told you, Del Destino Organic Fire Roasted Red Pepper Strips. Where's this company from? Let's see. Packed by in Peru. I thought they were from Italy, but they're from Peru. The company is the Atalanta Corporation in Elizabeth, New Jersey. We were just up there not long ago, close by. All right, so organic fire roasted peppers. Again, some of my coaching clients already know about this. Safe catch tuna. Every tuna is mercury tested. Safe catch tuna. Awesome stuff here. So much good protein. We always talk about my nuts, all right? I love my nuts. You guys know I love roasting my nuts, doing different seasonings, flavorings, herbs, and spices. Today, we stocked up on the organic whole cashews, unsalted, unroasted, because I'm going to be doing these on the stove with another few summer recipes. Nuts are good if you know how to make them and you control the amounts that you eat, and you're mindful, not even control, mindful of the amounts that you eat. We can't overeat these things, but we can eat enough. And when we flavor them properly, when we pan roast them, pan toast them, seasons, herbs, sea salt. Ooh, these are good for you. All right, more pescatarian items. Plant-based pescatarian with a little bit of meat here and there. Wild Pacific sardines from Wild Planet. These are also so good for you. Low mercury, high DHAs, high EPAs. You can't beat this stuff when it comes to good health. We don't diet here. We're not on diets. But we eat properly. Delicious foods, nutritious foods that taste good because we know how to prepare them. We know how to season them. Organic balsamic vinegar from Kirkland, Costco's own brand. Woohoo! This is a big, big jar, 33.8 ounces. What a deal, what a deal. All right. Some dessert. Ancient Grains Probiotic Granola. This is for dessert. I don't eat these for breakfast, but I eat these after dinner with some of those delicious Trader Joe's chocolate chips melted on top with a little bit of soy milk or almond milk mixed in. Sometimes I even mix in a little bit of low sugar. What are they calling this? Jam-packed with loads of fruit. It's basically jam or jelly. 40% less sugar, organic, mango and passion fruit. This is dessert. We take a spoon of this. This becomes part of our dessert recipe. Yeah, if you're new here, you're seeing some unique things that you wouldn't think are on the fitness and health program. The way we eat, Fusion Flex style. More seafood. Season. Sardines. More sardines. You can't go wrong when you eat sardines. You know what I mean? These are so good for you. Full of all kinds of good stuff. Things that our body and brain needs. That's how we stay young. That's how we stay strong. That's how we stay sharp. That's how we enjoy life and get the most out of it. What else do we got? Organic peanut butter. I don't buy this a lot because I have a hard time staying away from it, but I've got some ideas, and I want to prove and keep showing that we've got the mindfulness. We've got the self-awareness to eat things in moderation. Even when they're healthy, we can't overdo it. We shouldn't overdo it. We don't want to overdo it. Organic avocado mash. 16 single-size servings. The guesswork is already done. All right, we take one of these out for a snack in the middle of the day. Maybe we break our fast, or we're going to have one of these with some other little items, some nuts, a piece of fruit, and we're done. All right, we can also save these for dinner time, add them to a bigger dinner. But these things come in handy. Organic riced cauliflower, big bag, 4 16-ounce bags, organic riced cauliflower. You can't beat these prices. I don't know how much this was, but when I saw it, I'm thinking, man, that's crazy. You can't complain anymore that organics are overpriced. They're not. Everybody can afford them. Even Walmart has organics. All right. When I run low on my Life Boost coffee, I do keep some of this on hand so that I'm not missing out on my good organic coffees. When my Life Boost runs low and I haven't reordered, I get some of this in. So we keep this on hand. And what I do is, if I run low on my Life Boost, I break this out, finish this, and then by the time I'm done with this, I already have Life Boost sitting here waiting to go. All right, so we got that. What else? Okay, my 3 big liquid items. Organic soy milk, right here. Organic, non-dairy beverage, vanilla soy. We've got my chicken stock, organic chicken stock. So delicious, so good. Awesome for the sautés and the super soups. And the last liquid item, organic unsweetened almond milk. These are all Costco's brand, Kirkland Signature. All organic, all incredibly priced so that it can work for everybody. And bonus material. I stopped at Trader Joe's earlier. All right, my brother tipped me off in the visit to New York to the Hearts of Palm pasta. Super duper low carbohydrate, just by the nature of what these are made from. Hearts of Palm. Mom V-Bomb. This is what I was talking about from Trader Joe's. 3 little bars of milk chocolate. All right, I'm not going to eat these whole things, but I'm going to have a little bit here, a little bit there. Mom, get these from Trader Joe's. They also have the big 1-pound supersized block. But you know why I don't buy that? Because I'll be tempted to eat too much of it. So get the mini bars. Only $1.80 for 3 mini bars like this. Yeah, baby. And then the other Trader Joe's staple that comes in handy on the desserts at night when it's time to wind it down, the chocolate chunks. The flavor in these are unreal. The only thing is they're not organic, but hey, when you eat like 95% organic, we can add in some other things that are not. And that's all I've got for you. So here's what I'm going to do. I'm going to try to see if I can answer any questions. Lillian Powell Anderson talking about the mashed up sardines. Awesome. I'm going to check these later. Mom V says she will. Lauren Lilly, I have that in my pantry. Hearts of Palm from TJ's. All right, we're going to coordinate a recipe. Maybe even in real time. We might have to save these and cook it for each other when we visit, okay? Lauren Lilly likes how I say cauliflower. Oh my God, you're too funny. Yummy peanut butter is one of my favorite treats. All right, I think I'm done. Elizabeth is, oh snap. There was somebody, Elizabeth Lilly, signed up. I think they bought Naked Beauty or they signed up for Total Access today. I think it's Tabitha Elizabeth Lilly. Take that. Maybe you know her. Elizabeth is a middle name, so I'm sure it's a good product. Yeah. All right. Anybody else tuning in? If you want the edited video replay of this, post below. Video, hashtag video below. We'll send you the YouTube version video of this. I will also share with you all the other food shop links that we've got and that we're going to do in the future. Now, if you want the recipes to these delicious foods that I bought and you want to see me using them in the meals that I'm going to cook when I turn into the nutrition magician, getting busy in the kitchen, post below. Recipes, please. Recipes, please. Now, the recipes, I have some for free, but I can't give them all away for free. They're in a special place called Total Access, where lots and lots of other people are already hanging out, eating right, getting in shape, getting healthy, anti-aging, getting rid of disease, getting rid of dysfunction, turning back the clocks. All right, so if you want that, post below. Yes, getting busy in the kitchen, the nutrition magician. You know what I'm talking about. All right, we got other episodes about that coming up in the future. Trust me, promise. I promise you. All right, that's it for now. I got to go. I'm so hungry. It's time to put this all away. It's time for me to actually get dinner busy in the kitchen, start cooking so I can get in my nutrition, keep this healthy, strong, toned, anti-aging, disease-preventing body its strongest, its best. And we do that by feeding it properly. You can't have a good body, a good health profile, good vitals without feeding your body properly with the things that I just showed you and more. I've got a lot more. Some of you know I buy greens, veggies, fruits. That I did earlier. I did another day. I'll do some during the week, but not much of that here except for the cauliflower, the organic cauliflower. All right, that's it. As always, peace, love, and light. Keep letting your light shine bright. Keep fighting that good fight. I'm one arm in it because you're worth it. Have a beautiful, awesome, blessed, and peaceful night. Peace. Love you.